Hello, I'm James Curtis, the head chef here at RHS Hyde Hall. Today from the Global Growth Vegetable Garden, we're going to be using the Yardlong bean. I've paired that with a light coconut broth, and that allows the sweetness of the bean still to take centre stage. And we'll also be using a cumin crushed swordfish steak. It's quite a meaty fish, so again will work really well with the spices in this dish. Okay, we'll start by adding a splash of olive oil into the pan. And then we'll be adding our banana shallots, our clove of garlic, our half a red chilli and our coriander root. Give that a little stir. Okay, while that's sweating off, we're going to get our swordfish steak on the grill. So I'm sprinkling my cumin crust on both sides of the steak. We'll add our swordfish steak to the grill. We apply a little bit of pressure on the steak and that will stop your fish curling up and not cooking evenly through. You want to give your swordfish steak about 2–2.5 minutes on each side, taking it to about 60 Celsius, and then you want to let it rest and let all their muscle fibres relax. Okay, now we're at our spices. A little bit more oil. Okay, you just want to cook them spices out. There's nothing worse than a raw ground spice. Once your onion mixture is sweated all down, if you could add your coconut milk. And you want your coconut milk to reduce down by half. Give that swordfish steak a turn over. You should have a lovely golden brown. Okay, once your coconut broth is reduced down, if you add your yardlong beans. Because we've already blanched these and refreshed them, we really do just want to heat them back up. Don't cook them for too long because you'll lose the colour and they'll just taste overcooked. Okay, today I'm going to be serving it with a flatbread naan. You can serve it with some rice or some couscous if you'd like. Okay, when your yardlong beans are just up to temperature, if you add your mango chutney, and your broth should coat your yardlong beans. Okay, I'm taking the swordfish off. We want it to just sit there for a couple of minutes and rest. I've kept the yardlong beans whole. You can cut them down if you prefer. Get a healthy amount of broth in the dish. And I'm serving with a few toasted almonds and some fresh coriander. And there you have it, a nice light summery dish, perfect for an alfresco lunch, or if you want to impress and not spend too much time in the kitchen for a dinner party. Thank you for tuning in, and I really hope I see you soon, and me and my brigade will be cooking for you here at Hyde Hall.